Welcome to the lesson Animals Around Us. Hey, the animals are having a picnic today. Wow, they look so happy and they're having a wonderful time. What are they eating? Different animals eat different foods. The horse seems to be looking for some grass. The duck is enjoying some seeds. The elephant and the goat have leaves in their mouth. What about the lion, the bear, the cow? The lion seems to be smelling some meat. Let's learn in this lesson about what different animals eat. Do you know some other animals which eat only plants? Goat, deer, cow are some other animals which eat only plants. They have a special name. We call them herbivores. Many herbivores eat a variety of plants. Let's have a look at few of these herbivores. In this picture, you can see fruit bats. Do you know what is their favorite food? Yes, they have fruits. Animals like giraffes, koalas, caterpillars mostly eat the leaves of plants. Do you see this cute panda munching on his favorite bamboo plant? Butterflies and hummingbirds have mouths shaped like a straw with which they suck the nectar from the flowers. These ducks are busy enjoying their favorite snack of seeds. One interesting fact about herbivores. The largest herbivore is the African elephant. Do you know they can eat more than 100 kilograms of fruit, roots, grasses and bark in a single day? We saw that goats, sheep, giraffe, deer, camels are all herbivorous animals. How do herbivorous animals eat their food and digest it? Can you see how they eat their food by chewing it again and again? Their jaws move up and down as well as side to side for grinding the plant. Usually, the plant food is difficult to break down and digest. So, herbivorous animals have several pair of flat tooth so that they can grind the plant's leaves and the grass. Some herbivorous animals have not just one but multiple stomach chambers. Animals like camel, deer, sheep, giraffe, cattle are animals which have multiple stomach chambers. These animals have a special name. We call them as ruminants. This picture here is an illustration of the digestive system of ruminants. You can see there are 4 chambers: rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum. Now let's see how rumination happens. Basically, these animals chew and swallow the plant matter in a normal way. After they swallow this food, it travels to the second stomach chamber. In the second stomach chamber, the food softens and then the animal brings back this swallowed food, which is semi-digested, again into the mouth. It will then rechew it and make the food particles even smaller. Then it goes down to the third chamber. This keeps happening until all the cud has made its way through the 4 stomach chambers. In this way, the animal is able to get the most food value out of the plant matter that it eats. When we hear the word carnivore, we typically think of animals like tigers, lions, wolves. A carnivore is an animal which eats meat. For example, lions hunt for animals like deer which they want to consume. Now, carnivorous animals have some special features like high levels of intelligence. They have very sharp pointed teeth and powerful jaws in order to tear the flesh apart. They also have strong claws that help them to capture their prey. Usually they are very fast as they need to chase after their prey. The carnivorous animals have very simple digestive systems, unlike those of herbivorous. We saw that herbivorous animals have multiple stomachs, whereas these carnivorous animals have just one stomach and a simple digestive system. So basically, we saw how the body design of carnivorous animals is quite different from that of herbivorous animals. Carnivorous animals have sharp pointed teeth, unlike the flat teeth of herbivorous animals. They are fast runners and with very high levels of intelligence, and also their digestive system is less complicated as compared with herbivorous animals. Some carnivorous animals like spiders and snakes have venom with which they kill their prey. Here in this picture, a spider is eating a wasp. Some animals like chameleons and frogs have long sticky tongue with which they trap insects and catch their prey. Which is the world's largest animal? The world's largest animal is the blue whale. The blue whale is also the world's largest carnivore. What about on land? The largest land carnivore is the polar bear. Some animals eat both plants as well as other animals. Such animals are called as omnivorous animals. You can see an example of omnivorous animal here in this video. The magpie bird is eating worms. It also has seeds. Another example is the brown bear found in Alaska. In one season, the brown bear eats fruits and berries, and in another season, when the salmon fish migrates to Alaska, the brown bears feed on these fish. So, it's an omnivorous animal. Other examples of omnivores are cats, hens. What about human beings? Human beings also fall in this category of omnivorous animals. Scavengers are the animals which eat the flesh of dead animals. Jackals, vultures are examples of scavengers. These animals keep the jungle and the surroundings clean. Now it's revision time. Which animals eat only plants? Herbivores. Can you spell it? Herbivores. Which animal eats other plants and animals? It's omnivores. Omnivores. Which animal eats other animals? Carnivores. Carnivores. Can you tell some examples of herbivores? Cows, sheep, camel, giraffe and deer. Carnivores animals are lion, tiger, wolf, crocodiles, etc. What about omnivores? Bears, cats, hens, crow, and of course humans are omnivores. What are scavengers? Scavengers are animals which eat the flesh of dead animals. Vulture and jackals are scavengers.